Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to auto save photos from Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to automatically save photos from Viber, first open up your Viber app. At the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons and you land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us. Just above my notes, tap on settings. And on this interface guys, you can see there is the media option available for us. Just below the calls and messages, tap on media, and over here guys where it says to save to gallery, the second option, it also says allow Viber to automatically save media to your gallery. Make sure the tick mark at the right side of that option is ticked, and with that being done guys, you'll start to automatically save photos from Viber. And guys, this is how to auto save photos from Viber, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.